So we are going to install the feet. So that is pretty nice. How do I know which one is the front side? So this is the front side. What is the front side? Probably I will go and see it. Don't worry about it. So and now we are going to continue with the Z-axis. So previously I installed the AB drives. I installed the idlers for the AB side or the AB side. Now we are going to continue with the Z-axis of the Voron V0.2 build. This is the LDO Voron kit V0.2. So let's continue with that. So in the Voron kit, I'm using the Kirigami heated bed, and therefore I have a different kind of lead screw holder or nut holder. In this case, I already installed it when doing the frame. It was quite a challenge because this instruction that I'm following is the official Voron V0.2 manual. I'm now currently at page 92, and so we are going to install the Z-axis. So this one I already pre-installed during the frame assembly, and now we need to have the anti-backlash nut. So that is also a part that we need to install. I have the spring with the other part of the anti-backlash nut. So we are going to preload M3 nuts on these two sides, 3 M3 nuts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. So that is that. Oh, no, Zach. We are going to install feet. So it is going in this side, and then we are going to turn it around and we are going to put it on the other side and on the back side. So 3, 3, 3, 4, and then 4. So on the front side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Preparing more nuts. This here on the display, I like the drawings, but in this case, this is impossible. For me, the bed is also moving, and I'm very curious how this stands there in place like that. The version that I have doesn't have any screen, so far as I know. So we are going to install the feet. So I've got here two with the these are the Cyborg kit parts. So we are going to install the feet. So that is pretty nice. How do I know which one is the front side? So this is the front side. What is the front side? Probably I will go and see it. Don't worry about it. So that is one. I think I need to do exactly the same thing for all of them. I will put them all the same so that I know exactly which ones I need to have. And then we have something like this. At some point it did look like a display, but this is the back side, and so here I need to put in there a heated insert, which I do have. Oh, and I also need to put in one here. Perfect. Nice flush. That is cooled down. There you go. Looks nice. Let's see. I don't know what this is. This is the rear, and it is looking like a hole. So, and this one has a hole right here. So I don't know what the hole is for, what it actually does. So it seems to be filament run out. Do I have that? But I don't see any spacing for that in here. Probably installed here. No, probably there. Something like that. We shall see. So that part of the feed, I don't really know if I have it. I need to check. So according to the assembly instruction, there should also be something like a filament or an out sensor located on this side of the printer, so that that would be the right back side. So just like that, that is all set. And then we have M3 times 10 screws. So that is that. It took a little bit, but it's in there. Then we are going to add some little details. I've got them in white. I can use those. This I'm going to close. I have them in white. So that is looking nice. So the lead screw, also here I've got the choice to use the white part or the red part. We are going to use M3 times 8. Just like that. Yeah, here it says it doesn't really matter how the wiring goes. I choose for it, if I'm going to install it here, that the connector is facing to the electronics part. Yeah, it says to apply a thin layer of lubrication. So let's do that. You know what they say. Clean the bed, check the screws, lubricate the moving parts. So now we are going to put it in, and now also the part goes for the backlash nut, the anti-backlash nut.